to dust that covered my whole room. So I punched a hole in the roof. Let the flood carry away all my pictures of you.